Today, I'm sharing 10 high-protein snack ideas that will help you lose weight, burn belly fat, and fuel your body with clean energy. Whether you're trying intermittent fasting, low carb, or just want healthier choices, these snacks are simple, tasty, and backed by science. 1 Greek yogurt with berries, high in protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. A perfect gut health booster. Just 1 cup of Greek yogurt with fresh berries keeps you full and balances your blood sugar. 2. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are the king of protein, low in calories, high in nutrients, and easy for meal prep. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper, and you've got a weight loss powerhouse. 3. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is a slow-digesting protein. Pair it with pineapple for natural sweetness and digestive enzymes. Great for a late-night snack without